Hi guys, today I going to do unboxing and review for Bose Bluetooth speaker SoundLink Flex. Now you can see on the screen, this is the one box of SoundLink Flex. Let's open and see what accessories are included inside the box. Included Type-C charging cable, and multi-languages catalog. Let's take out the speaker. Wow, it's very good speaker. Its power button, volume minus button, multifunction button, volume plus button, and Bluetooth button. USB Type-C charging port for charging Bluetooth speaker. Also has a handle for easily carrying. Let's turn on the speaker. Press the power button. For Bluetooth function, press and hold 3-second Bluetooth button. Now we can pair with mobile. Just we can play any music.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tattle my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with that.
Yeah, it has very good sound and bass. Let's see a review of this speaker. It's arrived October 2021. Weight 0.59 kg. Water and dust proof IP67. Battery type lithium ion. 12 hours play time. Bluetooth version 4.2. Bluetooth range 30 feet. Can pair with other Bose speaker. Built-in microphone for receiving calls. Bose SoundLink Flex application available in the Play Store. Speaker to access your phone, Siri or Google Assistants. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share. If you have anything doubt, you can leave your question to comment box. Still you not yet subscribe this channel, please subscribe and enable bell icon for you getting new uploading videos notifications. Thank you for watching.